Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn about different things and objects and animals that start with the letter A. Let's begin. Whoa! What is that? Oh, it's an airplane. I like airplanes. Whoa! Woohoo! Look at that airplane go! Oh, I wonder how many people are in there, traveling around the world. That looks like so much fun. One day I would like to be a pilot. That'd be cool. Bye, airplane. Oh, I know what this is. Yum, yum. Apple. Oh, it's so red and colorful. Wow. Oh, look at those juicy apples. There's one green one and two red ones. Those look delicious. Whoa! Oh my goodness! So many apples. Yum, yum. Watch out! I know what that is. Alligator. Whoa, so scaly. Look at alligators out there in the wild. Wow, they really are cool looking. Maybe a little bit scary as well. Oh my goodness, I wonder how many teeth they have. Whoa, that's a little too close for me, Mr. Alligator. Maybe you should back up now. All right, see you, Mr. Alligator. Have a good day. Oh, I don't want to get too close to them. Oh, we're in space. Astronaut. Wow. Look at him float. Wonder if I could ever go to space one day and fly like an astronaut. Oh boy! Bye, Mr. Astronaut! Where are you going? Oh, you're flying in outer space? One day I wish I could do that. Whoa! Look at the Earth. See ya, astronaut. Stay safe. Oh, the last one. Art. Oh boy, I love art. Oh, art is so cool. Art can be so many things. Like painting with paintbrushes, drawing different things. Really, anything can be art. Look at this artist. I wonder what she's thinking right now as she's drawing some cool pictures. Art is such a wonderful thing. Oh, here's another one of my favorite ways to do art. Sculpting with clay. Look at all those lines squiggling around. So cool and amazing. Well, that's it for today, everybody. We learned about 5 things that start with the letter A. Let us know if you know anything else that starts with the letter A. Coming up next, I think we're going to have to get into the letter B. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.